Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. So today we've got a special classic Thai dish, green curry. So this will be in two parts. So today we're going to show you how to make your curry paste, and then next week we're going to show you how to make your green curry all in. Alright? So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, then stick around after this.
Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how we make green curry paste from scratch. This is our recipe from Fitous Thai Kitchen. Okay, this is the recipe. This is the lemongrass. I have sliced lemongrass, galangal, green chilli, garlic, Kaffir lamb skin, shrimp paste, and banana shallot. Okay, first we use the mortar stone to grind it. If you lazy to do, you can use the blender. I prefer the mortar stone. Okay, first thing we put lemongrass. This one about 20 grams of lemongrass. This one for 1 meal. For 2 people, if you for 4 people also can if you don't like hot. Okay, you try this one first. Okay, you do until a little bit fine, and then you put galangal. Galangal about 10 pieces. If you put too much, the taste bitter. Ten pieces of garlic. Okay, and green curry and green chili. You can mix a little bit red, make more color. If you don't have time to make from scratch, you can use the ready-made. Can get from supermarket, any brand. Okay, and a few pieces of Kaffir lamb skin. Teaspoon of shrimp paste and piece of shallot. Yeah, that's it. All our recipe. Then just grind it until it become very fine. I think I'm going to cook green curry today. You try my fresh green curry paste. You can have with rice or with we call Japanese noodle, or in Thai we call khanom jin. If you want more green, you can put sweet basil leaf in there. Okay, we grind it. It takes about 10-15 minutes to be fine, very fine. And now finish. Then we start to make green curry.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next week for part 2, making the curry. Alright, take care now. Bye.